Hello guys, so this is my day 3 outfit video and I'm not gonna explain the concept because it feels boring to me, like repeating the same concept in every video. If you wanna know, you can check out my previous videos like day 1 and day 2 outfit video. There you can have all the explanation. So I'm directly moving to the outfit details. So in this video I'm wearing this cheetah printed skirt which I got from Sarojini and it was of rupees 200, and to pair it up I'm wearing this noodle strapped black crop top which is again from Sarojini and I got it for rupees 100. To accessorize I'm wearing these earrings which again are from Sarojini and I got them for rupees 50. Yes, I got them for rupees 50. And in footwear, I'm wearing these transparent strap black high heels which were from AliExpress, which is unfortunately now banned in India. So yeah, this is it about my today's outfit, and I hope you like this video. And also, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends, families, or whosoever you want to share with. For more further videos, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.